Hi guys, for today's video guys is I am going to answer because some of my subscribers in shorts videos asking me about room tour, or some ask, do I have a studio room that where I edit my video, where editing my video or making a videos, short videos. So actually guys, I'm doing a simple, very simple, shorts videos. If you have seen my videos, is very simple. So, and actually, guys, I'm not good in English. So hope you understand my English. And I'm sorry, guys, because my room is very hot. So now I'm going to show you my room. So to those who ask me if I have a studio room, yes, of course, no, because my room is very simple. This is the room of me. The room of me is very simple. Yeah, this is my bed. Yeah, that's my bed. So, have you seen here, guys? Have you seen this? This is my electric fan. And have you seen this? This is packing tape. So, I need to stick it here because if you don't fix here, if you open this alog-alog, so that's why I put a dikit. So that's my simple room. So here another bed. If I want to sleep here upstairs, I can, but my my daughter sleep there. So here again is my closet, my drawer. My drawer is here. So somebody asked me room tour. So I'm sorry guys, I don't make any room tour because this is not our own house. We are here rent this house because our house is far from here. So we are here because of our small business. So here is my ring light. So I don't have any studio room or where do I making videos. So I'm making a videos here inside my simple room. So and if you sleep here, very simple like that. If you want to sleep like that, so where do you have comfortable? If you do like that, you can do. So that's all my videos. Hope you understand me.